Have you got one of these smart health wearables that spits out data to your phone, but you don't really know what to do with it? You're probably experiencing data overload. These graphs and all these numbers look so fancy. Yet honestly, half the time, I don't know what the is going on. And the more you look at the data and the more you try to work things out, the more you feel burnt out and fatigued from it. And you start to think, is this really helpful towards my health and fitness goals, or have I been sold a lie? My advice is to pick 2 metrics out of this big buffet of numbers and work on it, implementing strategies for a certain period of time. I would suggest anything from 3 to 4 months. It's not too long, not too short, just the way I like it.
That's what she said.
But why pick 2, not 1, not more? Well, if you're picking more than 2, you're more than likely going to experience this data overload. But picking only 1 metric, and if the metric doesn't go your way, you're going to be extremely frustrated. And honestly, in my opinion, it's actually like school and uni. 50% is the passing mark. Therefore, if 1 out of 2 metrics is going your way, chances are you are actually making significant progress in the right direction. Ultimately, at the end of the 3 to 4 month period, sit down and assess whether at least 1 or ideally both your metrics has improved. If so, celebrate, you've done a good job, and then you can decide to pick 2 other metrics from the number buffet and start to work on it. But if it did not go your way, don't be discouraged. As cliche as it sounds, this is a learning experience. Look at some of your strategies. What worked? What didn't work? And ultimately, rinse and repeat this process as much as you would like. This makes sure that you don't feel the data overload from all these tracking, but keeps putting you in a position to make consistent progress over time and making improvements with your health and fitness goals. Ultimately, leveraging data and technology for its intended use.